Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this HUAWEI. Begin with opening Themes app. After that, you can click on one of those options like Featured at the bottom left corner, click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, like black. Then click on the theme that you like the best. If you don't want to do that, you can always go back. Tap on Me section at the bottom left corner, right one over here. Tap on one of those themes. Select Apply and wait. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!